Hey guys, just want to show you the, this is for the RC1, this is for the RC1 case, and what it is, this is something I have made right here in Portland, Oregon, by City Machine out in Beaver Creek. So, USA made. I don't know how I'm going to do many more of these, but they're really expensive to make. But anyways, this is when you have an RC1, this is your original cage. It's tiny, tiny, tiny for what it is compared to, so that's what comes with your RC1. This is your Banshee V-Force 4 Moto Tassinari cage. And what this does, this allows you to mount this cage on your RC1. So what you do need to do is when you get this cage, you do have to hog these holes out a little bit to get the bolt pattern to match. But anyways, you can just see the size difference of these two cages. It's night and day. It's not that easy to tell in the video, but it just dwarfs the Malossi one. So yeah, this is it. So my kit, you can buy it with just this adapter by itself, or you can buy it with the reeds. I would suggest buying with the reeds because you can only buy these in a pair of two. Well, you can buy them one, but you have to order them out of country. And the price is going to be the same. I don't actually really mark these cages up at all, but it just fits in like so. So you just get longer bolts. This will bolt the original block. There's no extra porting required to fit this. This fits in the stock location. So again, I don't know if I'm going to offer these that much longer. I've just got 3 on the shelf. I've got 3 on the shelf right now. A lot of them are going to Europe, but you can buy it just this by itself, or you can buy it with the reed setup and the block. This won't fit a regular Piaggio. This won't fit Minarelli. This is just specifically designed for the RC1 Malossi cases. So there you have it. Put a link at the bottom for you guys to order them if you want.